open. It'll have plastic on the outside, and then on the inside there's all these little wires. So imagine the wires are the nerves, and then the myelin is that plastic protected, right? So it attacks the plastic protected on the outside of the cable, right? And then once it sort of imagine eating through that, it begins to attack the actual those nerves. And so those nerves send signals from your brain to different parts of your body, so that, for instance, when you move your hand towards a fire, you stop because you recognize it's hot, right? It's too hot, and you snatch your hand back. The nerves help that to happen. So when the nerves are damaged, you don't know that something is hot, right? So that signal is not being sent back and forth from the brain to the hand. I hope that makes sense. So in my case, that's what happens. It attacks certain sections of my spinal cord, and depending on where it attacks, dictates where you lose sensation in your body. So for me, I have had 4 or 5 attacks, and they've all been significant. But luckily, I've always gone to the hospital pretty much immediately once I recognize that I'm in the midst of an attack. And I have sought treatment, and so in the past, it used to be that people would have these attacks and they would not make it. And now, by the grace of God and due to medical advancements, there are some treatments, but it is not a curable disease. So, I'll always have to have these infusions. So right now I'm taking them every other week. I love my nurse. She is so cool. And I just feel blessed that I'm able to have treatments. And I think that certain parts of my, body, like my hair, maybe that thinning and perhaps that low density was a result of the disease, certain aspects of the disease. This feels so good. Certain aspects of the disease not being addressed. I don't know. But all I know is my hair is getting thicker. So, anywho, I probably shouldn't have come on here because I did not have a plan, but I just wanted to come on here, refresh my wash and go, do an update of my hair so you guys could see how thick it is. Here, let me pull up. I want you to see I still got these stubborn grays. They're still there. Let's see. But yeah, like, when it's dry and a few days out from my wash and go, it is, pretty thick. So I'm so happy with it. So happy with it. So I will be washing it and sharing with you, I guess, my 5-day wash and go routine. Because I usually wash it and then I don't do very much to it. I don't do very much to it after that time. So I've been working with a couple of products that help me to keep my wash and go in place for the full 5 days, which is imperative when you're dealing with an autoimmune illness or any kind of chronic illness, because you just don't have the energy to expend on certain things. So if you're able to make your life easier, whether it's hair, whether it's household chores, whether, I don't care what it is, figuring out what those workarounds are that help you to conserve energy is like everything. So I will be sharing that with you in a coming video, but I just wanted to jump on here and say hey, and I hope life is being good to you. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and I hope that you're giving yourself some grace, especially now. All right. Don't forget to let me know what type of videos you would like to see. And yeah, I'll see you very, very soon. All right. Love you guys. Have a great day.